Arduino is like a magical box that helps you bring your ideas to life. It's a small computer that you can program to do all sorts of cool things, like making lights blink, robots move, or even creating your own video games. The best part is, there are tons of resources available to help you learn and create. You can find step-by-step tutorials, helpful communities, and even classes to teach you everything you need to know. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned maker, Arduino is the perfect tool to unleash your creativity and make your wildest ideas a reality. One of the best things about Arduino is how easy it is to use. With just a little bit of learning, you can start making your own inventions and gadgets. Plus, there are lots of fun projects you can find online to help you get started. Another awesome thing about Arduino is that it's not just for big kids or grown-ups. It's perfect for young people like you who are curious and creative. Whether you're a beginner or already a pro, Arduino has something for everyone. And guess what? There's also something called Controllino, which is like a supercharged version of Arduino. It's specially designed for controlling things in real life, like lights, motors, or even whole machines. So if you want to build something that moves or reacts to the world around it, Controllino can help you do just that. With Controllino, you can build projects that react to the world around them, like automatic watering systems for plants or smart home devices. Controllino is essentially an Arduino-based programmable logic controller designed specifically for industrial applications. It offers the flexibility and ease of use of Arduino, but with added features and robustness suitable for industrial environments. So grab your imagination and let's start inventing with Arduino and Controllino. It's a world of endless possibilities waiting for you to explore.